down here 5 minutes and I already made a hole in there from hitting it by mistake with the wire brush, so I'll have to fix that at some point now. So I'm going to take a break from braking the car and I'm going to spray the Lano guard across the wheel arch and then work my way across the van. So at the moment I'm using the bottle and you can see it goes on pretty clear. Make sure you wear masks and goggles when you're doing this. So spray bottle itself is pretty good. I'm just trying to get all the nooks and crannies and reach as far as I can reach and make sure I try to cover everything at least once. So I just wanted to show you guys after about 4 days, this is how the Lano guard looks. Everything looks a bit clean, very shiny and waxy. I did that throughout the whole car. I also have the grease stuff, but it's hard to get underneath. I don't have any axles or anything, but just want to show you how it looks.